Welcome all students. This is the history exam of 2025. Yeah, if you've seen more often. And we've seen the question here. This is question 10 of that exam of 2025. Hello. En de question is, hieronder staan enkele kenmerken van de rechtsstaat. Kenmerken, actually. Welk van deze kenmerken is onjuist? Well, let's go through them. And we'll find out soon enough. Wetten nageleefd worden. Mensen in veiligheid kunnen leven. People living in security seems legit. In de rechtsstaat kunnen bevoegdheden en grenzen afgebakend worden om de vrijheid van individuele burgers te beperken. Alarm bells go off with me. Beperken van vrijheid van individuele burgers. This doesn't seem right to me. In een rechtsstaat hebben alle burgers gelijke rechten. Oké, equal rights. Governments have to protect these rights of citizens. Seems legit. In een rechtsstaat is er sprake van een machtenscheiding, de trias politica. Very important, trias politica, to prevent absolute power of a king. So P seems wrong to me. Let's check if it's correct. And we see above me that it's actually B that is incorrect. And that was actually what you had to do. You had to say what was incorrect, like you can see above. Where can you find this in the book? We go to chapter 3. That is actually about this topic. Rechtsstaat en democratie, regering en parlement, starting on page 25, en de 3.1, wat houdt de rechtsstaat in, on page 26, what does it mean to have a rechtsstaat? Then we go to that page, we see the yellow parts, that are actually the alternatives, alle burgers gelijke rechten, all citizens equal rights, citizens and government has to protect these rights, and in a rechtsstaat there is separation of powers, the trias politica. All correct. But here we see the following, and I'll zoom in on that actually. We'll zoom in on that. Heel belangrijk, belangrijke bevoegdheden om de vrijheid van individuele burgers mogelijk te maken. Not to limit them, maar but to make them possible. So this was wrong in the multiple choice answers. As we could see. Om niet te beperken, maar om ze mogelijk te maken. Not to limit them, but to make them possible. If you want to practice more, go to Zish, type that in your browser, and type in the code XZF2594, XZF2594, and you arrive at where you can practice with multiple choice questions and combination questions.